Hi everybody, this is Nikki again. One more quick video before I call it a night. It's an important one. This is medical. This is not medical advice. This is personal experience, personal opinion. No medical stuff. Rob Lawrence, you had a great idea. Finally, seriously. Basically, Robin, you went ahead and you came up with a great question in the group, and that had to do with pump replacements on the 670G. The answers were really, really surprising. Again, out of a group of 700, over 700 at this point, 44 responses. So I have no idea what the rest of the group's experience has been. But out of 44 responses, there were a lot of pump replacements. And Rob Lawrence, your point was that maybe this should be something that should be in a video. A couple people were saying it. Bob Clark said it. Marjorie Peterson said it. It really was quite interesting to see just how many replacements there had been. And I will say that I, for one, used Medtronic for 12 years prior to starting the 670G, and never once in 12 years did I get a pump replaced. In fact, it was like your pump had to be dead in order for them to replace it. And I am on my 5th pump in a year, and 4 replacements, and none of which have I prompted or initiated. Medtronic, when I've called in with something, every single time has said, okay, we're going to send you a replacement. I do have a theory. I'll save it for the end if I can refrain. Okay, so out of 44 responses, and again, note that that is out of 700 something people, out of 44 responses, 34% of the respondents said that they have received 1 replacement since starting their pump. 4% said that they have received 2 replacements since starting their pump, and 14%, this is my category, have received 3 or more pump replacements since beginning the 670G. 50% said that they had not received any. They were still using their original pump. Rob Lawrence, ironically, you were in that category up until about 10 minutes ago when you said that you are now getting a replacement tomorrow. So I'm not laughing at you. That's ironic. Okay. Anyway, so the point is that's a lot of freaking pump replacements, and knowing that they didn't replace stuff, they really didn't unless they absolutely needed to. The question is why. My personal theory is that it's not because these pumps are that bad. I don't think that these things are breaking left and right. My own personal theory on this one is because people's blood sugar, a lot of people, it's crazy. And the sensors are kind of crazy bad. So there's pure pandemonium, and people are calling in. They're not really sure what's going on. And I think Medtronic is willingly sending out replacements because we are diabetic, because this is our insulin delivering device, and because how could they not, I guess. I don't know. That's forget the last part. I really do think that they're doing it to be safe or to cover their butts. I don't know which one, or probably both. But I don't think it's because the pumps are all that bad. I don't think that I don't think I've needed 5 pumps. I think that maybe I needed one of those replacements. I think that, and I don't even know about that one. I think they did it to be safe because there's a lot of stuff going on. Anyway, here's another one for the YouTube crowd, which doesn't respond. If you would like to tell us whether or not you have a pump replacement, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.